Michael Cardamone here with Alex Nemeth, owner of Northeast Factory Direct. Everyone knows that you have the furniture, the hot tubs, the mattresses, but something that is second to none, your cabinets. Tell us about it.
First, let me give you an example of what you may find at one of the big box stores. This would be a builder's grade cabinet, particle board sides, stapled, glued, kind of a cheap cabinet. Once you get into our cabinets or your high-end cabinets, they have the full extension drawer glides, soft close drawers, doors, all wood, no particle board. The best part is it's a fraction of the cost. You can get a 10 by 10 kitchen from us starting at $18.99. That would cost you $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 at one of the fancy places.
And for free, you offer CAD service, a virtual kitchen service, and you've got so many options. No matter what style home you have, you can simply visit their 3 locations, east side, west side, or south side, or go to the website, northeastfactorydirect.com.